Can I call a landline from my cell phone in the Philippines?
Hello there. Today, we're going to answer a question that's been on a lot of minds. Can I call a landline from my cell phone in the Philippines? If you're planning a trip, or perhaps moving to this beautiful Southeast Asian country, this is an important detail you'll need to know. The quick answer is yes, but let's delve into the details.
Understanding the dialing procedure.
First and foremost, it's important to understand the dialing procedure. When calling a landline from a cell phone in the Philippines, there are a few things to keep in mind. The country code for the Philippines is +63. If you're calling from within the country, you usually won't need this. Instead, you'll dial a 0, followed by a 3-digit area code, and then the 7-digit landline number. For instance, if you were calling a landline in Manila, the area code is 2. So you would dial 02, then the 7-digit landline number.
What about long-distance calls?
What if you're calling a landline in another city? Well, the process is pretty similar, but with a slight difference. You'll still dial 0, followed by the area code, and then the landline number. The area codes vary by city, so you'll need to know the area code for the city you're calling. For example, if you're calling a landline in Davao, you dial 082, then the 7-digit landline number.
Using a local SIM card.
If you're using a local SIM card, then calling from a cell phone to a landline shouldn't be a problem. In fact, using a local SIM card often makes it easier and more cost-effective to make such calls. You should be able to buy a SIM card at the airport or at many convenience stores and shopping malls throughout the country. Once you've got your SIM card, you can load it with prepaid credit and start making calls. In conclusion, the answer is a resounding yes. You can call a landline from a cell phone in the Philippines. Whether you're calling within the same city or to another city, you just need to remember to dial 0, the area code, and then the landline number. And if you're using a local SIM card, it's even easier. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy calling!